I've got my frozen cheese pizza and I'm ready for some pizza pizzazz. I'm gonna turn this into a Cobb Salad Pizza. Oh my gosh. Grab a frozen store-bought pizza and add some pizzazz. It's a pizza pizzazz party.
Good. Yeah!
So I've pre-baked my pizza for about 8 minutes and now I get to add the toppings of a Cobb salad. Starting with some chicken right on top. It's the already cooked chicken. Some blue cheese. And some tomatoes. Then I'll stick it in the oven for a little bit longer. It's now out of the oven and ready for some romaine lettuce, crispy bacon, hard-boiled eggs, and a nice drizzle of Avocado Ranch. I'm ready to cut it and eat it. Cobb Salad Pizza. I'm excited about this. Perfect. Salad on a pizza. I love some pizzazz. Okay, I'll admit it. I'm an unemployed leather worker. I've got nothing to hide.